Hello guys, welcome back to another origami video. Today, I'll be showing you, teaching you how to hold something. What is it? I don't really know yet. Need the square sheet of paper right now. It is a mystery model. I will be showing you how to hold it and then demo it to you after we're done holding it. Now we're gonna get started. Ready, set, here goes. So we are going to start with a water bomb base. So how to do that is start this edge to here. Hold this edge to this raw edge. Hold all the way across. Unfold. Fold this corner to here. This right into the middle crease. Unfold that. You rotate the model. And then hold this raw edge to this crease. And then unhook that. And then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. And then take this raw edge to this crease. The edge, and fold all the way across. Fold all the way across that, and unfold, and then and then hold this raw edge to the center. And then unfold that, and then fold this raw edge to this crease. And hold that all the way across, and then unfold that. And then we are going to fold all the cornea into this first intersection. And hold it all the way across. And do this first intersection. And we're gonna do that 3 more times. And now we are going to hold this. Now we're going to take one of the edges and fold them up on the existing creases. And then do the one on top. You can just take it and hold it down. And then we are going to fold this edge to this center crease all the way across, align it, and then we're going to also do this crease, this edge to this edge too. And then we're going to unfold that, stick it, lift this up, put it underneath, and then put that back down. And then we're going to repeat that on this side. Hold this up, this edge that lines to this crease, and this raw edge to this crease. And then we're going to hold all the way across. and lift it up, stick it into this pocket, push this into the pocket all the way far you can go. And then fold all of the edges, everything down on both sides. And now we have made a parallelogram flickner. It is really good. You can flick it like a flickner, like this, or you can fold one of the corners like this. You fold one of the corners by doing a swivel fold. Bring this corner to this point, this corner point, like this, sliding the edges. And then you can do the same thing in this one. Unfold that. Put your finger in the pocket and swivel it over here. Like that. Like that. And then we are going to take this one. Take this one, left flap, put it over there, put the right one underneath. And how you do it, you're going to push it down. And then make sure it goes all the way in there. Flat. Make sure it goes in there all the way flat. And then we are going to pretty sharply. And now we have a square flicker. That flicks really good. You can flick it on the open side, like this way or this way, and then it'll be a really good flicker. You can show me, you can do a demo video and show me how you like it. If you would like that, you can do that. Bye guys, happy folding. Like and subscribe. Bye.